Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow comments only from people and pages you mention on your Facebook page cover photo using the latest update on PC. If you want more control over who can interact with your posts, especially your cover photo, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. Once you're on the main Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu where you can select your page from the list of pages you manage. After entering your page, find your cover photo at the top of the page. Hover over the cover photo and click on it. This will open a larger view of your cover photo, along with some options underneath. Now, look just below the photo for 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option that says, "Who can comment on your post?" This is a new feature that gives you more control over your post's privacy and engagement. A new window will pop up with several choices. Here, you want to select the option labeled Profiles and Pages you mention. By choosing this, you ensure that only the people and pages you specifically mention in your cover photo post will be able to leave comments. This is perfect for keeping your page's interactions focused and relevant. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your cover photo's comment settings to allow comments only from those you mention. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.